Hey, Garrett here from Port Monkeys, and we've just cleared immigration and customs here in Buenos Aires, Argentina, getting ready for our 32-day cruise. And this is Buenos Aires, and I'm going to say it's about 90 degrees here. Not real humid, but a little bit of humidity, but it's hot, hot, hot. So you get off the plane, you go through immigration, you show your passport and stuff, and then you have nothing to declare. There's two lines: declare or nothing to declare. So we went through that. They x-ray all your luggage, so you got to put it all on the conveyor yourself and get it off. And then as you get ready to leave, to walk outside like I just did, there's these people with signs that say Princess. Now, I have to say, Princess did not tell us any of that. I don't know who was supposed to, but nobody told us. So we just followed everyone else pretty much. Although you never know who's on the cruise and who isn't, right? I'll tell you who is on the cruise though. Janet. She's on the cruise. And so, from Buenos Aires, Port Monkeys out. Janet out too. So, here's the airport. We're loading our luggage on the bus. That's the bus. Nice bus, huh? Open the door and see all the people. I'm looking for one in particular though. Oh, I think I see her. Score. So it's been like parkland since we left the airport 5-10 minutes ago. And if you'll notice, people like park out there on the grass and in the trees. So I don't know if it's a campground or what. But like I say, it's been miles of it so far. The parkland gave way to city. They're tall buildings, not right this second, but we passed some, and I'm sure there's more to come. We're about halfway to the port now from the airport. Here's some taller buildings, you see, probably apartments. They're all sort of identical. We're on a toll road. I mean, it's like a freeway, but this is the third time we've had to pull in and pay the toll or whatever it is. Pretty close to the port now, so we're really downtown almost. So now we're near the ship. We're down by the ports, the docks, waterfront, and the buildings are much more modern. And they're building like crazy. We're in a tunnel, so sort of. See? Oh, the sun. immigration's closed, so we have to come back down at 9 a.m. in the morning with our passports. They also said we have to take our luggage to the ship. Now, I'm not sure what that means, but that's not going to be fun. So we're inside the terminal in a line with people hauling their luggage. And that's the terminal, I guess. And now we're going to stop here and try to figure out what to do. So this seems like an odd way to do this, especially since I paid for transfer. I mean, I guess I got a transfer, but I thought that included them handling my luggage, not me, right? I mean, it was a princess transfer. They have little shops here if you're interested. Looks like they're closing up for the day, so if you want to shop in these shops, I guess you should get here before 6. Of course, it's almost 6:30 now. There's more of the terminal. Hey, look at that. So when you get off the ship, I guess you go through this area, and so here's all sorts of people selling tours. Of course, they're all done for the night, but in the morning we can come down here, and or you can come down and book a tour. All right. All right. So they X-rayed our luggage. They looked at our passports, but still not customs or immigration. We still have to go through that tomorrow. I see buses right in here. I don't know why we couldn't be on one of them. Anyway, and now we're still hauling our luggage. Hauling our luggage ourselves. And I guess we're headed that way.
The princess is at the left.
Thank you. She was helpful. They X-rayed us over there. We walked up here, and now we're gonna get on a bus, apparently. Hi. And I think we have to take our luggage on the bus ourselves. Holy moly. This is crazy. Did everybody do this? Got on a bus, which keeps starting and stopping, trying to kill me. And I found a lens cap, Canon. That's the kind of camera I have. And now we're driving, I guess, over to there by the ship. So I'm guessing these buses shuttle people back and forth through the container port. Sort of like the little trams in Mazatlan, if you've ever been there. And other ports have buses too. I just mentioned them because we go there a lot. That's the ship right there. But we have had to, luggage on the move, we have had to haul our luggage the whole way. I mean, on the last bus, somebody put it on for us. But this is wild and crazy, and let me turn the camera towards me. Somebody should tell you, even though you paid for a transfer, you're going to pick your luggage up and put it on a bus more than once, right? Because I've never experienced this before in all my years of cruising. So there's the Sapphire Princess. We're held up here for some reason. We're almost there, but we're not. So I don't know what the holdup is. Too many buses up there or something. All right, so this is check-in here. There goes the bus.
The medallions, please. And so you have to turn off your camera.
Okay.
Do the recording.
All right. So we're finally on board. I see it as a huge mess, but as she explained, since they're in port overnight, they have to take people at all times. Otherwise, I guess we would have had to get a hotel or something. So here we are on board. And that's getting from LAX to Buenos Aires for a cruise on Princess. I'll see you in the next port. Bye. Have anything you want to say? So, we're finally in our cabin. It's on deck 14. That's the bridge. That might be in the way, but I guess they need it. The Regent is leaving. There's some of those buildings we passed along the road. Tomorrow we'll walk along there and see what happens.